Hi, my name is Michelle Lopez. I am a human-child development major. I have my BA in human development. This activity is recommended for 3.5 to, I'll say, any age. It's starting at 3.5. So this activity is beneficial for teachers and parents to see where their child is developmentally according to the scribble stages. So in this activity, the children will do single lines, vertical lines, and curved lines. They're going to be creating a spider web, and within that spider web, they're going to actually create a spider as well. So they're going to be we're going to be seeing content, process, motive, and product. So children will be recreating this spider web and spider. So the materials that we're going to use are going to be a cup of water, some paintbrushes, and food coloring, salt. We're going to use rainbow pom-poms and assorted wiggly eyes for our spider. So first we're gonna cut a paper in half. And we're gonna obviously need scissors, a piece of white paper, and we could use construction paper or anything else you would like, but I'm gonna use white paper. So after I'm gonna cut the paper into 4 lines or 4 strips. They don't have to be perfect, they're gonna be the legs. So since I didn't use construction paper, what I'm gonna be doing is painting the strips, and I'm gonna be using a marker for this process. And I would be doing the same to both sides of the strip. Pause it. So after we're done coloring the legs, we're gonna fold them like little fans. So we're gonna be doing that to all of the 4 legs. And this is actually going to be beneficial for 3.5-year-olds and above because they're going to be using their hands. So That's gonna be helpful for them to have hands-on on an activity like this, especially since we're close to Halloween. This might be a fun activity that parents and teachers could try out with the children. So once we're done with legs, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the spider web using glue. Okay, so we're gonna start doing the spider web. First, I'm gonna draw a straight line. Then I'm gonna draw an X using the glue, obviously. Then I'm gonna create the curved lines for the spider web. Then I'm gonna use the salt, and I'm gonna sprinkle salt all over. And what the salt is gonna do is gonna just stay on the glue, and that way when I use the food coloring paint with water, it's gonna make a little absorbing effect. Then I'm gonna use another paper, just my extra paper, to throw off the excess salt off my paper, my spider web. Then we're gonna put it aside again. That's trash. Okay. So I had went ahead and poured water into my little 4 containers. Then I added a drop of food coloring on each. So now I'm gonna be going ahead and getting purple. Just pressing it on the glue, on the salt as well. Then it gives it that little running effect. Because I'm just dabbing it in different areas, since I'm gonna be using different colors, not just one. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. Go into another color. Okay, and I'm gonna be going with pink. And obviously for this activity, you guys could use any colors you guys have at home. Doesn't necessarily have to be these colors. This is going to help children be creative, with the colors, since obviously they could use any colors they would like, mix match, not just go within one color. Or if they like simple colors, they could go ahead and just use one color. So now I'm all done with this. So I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the spider using the pom-pom. Then I'm gonna add glue to the center of the pom-pom. Then I'm gonna start adding the legs. Obviously you guys could put them however you guys want, but I'm just gonna do like an X. And you guys could paste the spider anywhere you guys would like in your spider web. I'm gonna put it right here. Then I'm gonna add the eyes. There you go. And that is the finished product. A spider web and a spider.